Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel again. I will have a haul video. This collective haul to. And also, etong mga products na ipapakita ko sa inyo ngayon are basically my own purchase. So, it's not sponsored. Walang nagbigay sa akin. Lahat to is within my budget. So, kawawang budget. Disclaimer, kung hindi nyo gusto yung mga ganitong klase ng video or naiirita kayo sa mga ganito, you know, just hit exit. Thank you for, you know, watching the intro. Kaunti lang naman to. Just, I think this is 17 or 20 pieces na mga items. So, might as well get started. Ang haba ng intro ko. So, yun. Let's start with makeups muna. And then, later on, yung mga random things that I bought also. So, first off is from Fashion 21. Bumili ako ng dalawang eyeshadow sa kanila. Then, yung una is the number 1. Ito siya. This will cost you 89 pesos each. Medyo expensive siya ng konti. Just wanted to try it out kasi dun sa collection nila ng single eyeshadow, katulad nito, ito yung mga nagustuhan ko. But I'm planning to buy a little bit more from them. Kasi maganda yung pigmentation ng Fashion 21 na single eyeshadow nila eh. So, ito yung una. This is number 1. Walang nakalagay na pangalan. Pero ito yung una, number 1. Ito siya. Yan. Cocoa Brown. Yung kanyang shade. I love this. I bought this to try it out for contouring. And also, ang ganda kasi ng shade nito eh. Parang maganda siya for yung mga deep set na eyeshadow. And then, the number 10. This is a pearl white shade. Ito siya. So, yan. It's a pearl white shade. Siyempre, hindi ko na pwedeng gamitin yung pinang-brown ko. Iba naman. So, eto naman siya. Yan. Maganda dito kasi naalis siya. Ayan, no? Naalis siya. So, kung meron kang lalagyan na yung parang box na lalagyan, pwede nyo itong ilagay doon. Kasi I think this is also magnetic. Yung first sa aking haul. And then, let's go on with Shawil. Sa Shawil naman, I bought 3 kinds of lipstick. Hindi 3 kinds. 2 kinds of lipstick. Pero yung dalawang shade yung binili ko. And then the other one, eto naman siya. Eto muna pag-usapan natin. So this is the Shawil Translucent Silky Lipstick Pencil. Vivid color. Eto siya. This is only 98 pesos each. And yung shade na binili ko are walang nakalagay, 03 and 04. So, start tayo sa 03. Buksan ko kasi 03. Oo, 03 lang yung nakalagay eh. So, ito yung shade niya. Kita nyo ba? Ayan. Ayan. It's dito na lang kasi hindi makita doon. So, ayan siya. It's a nude pink shade. So creamy. Ayan, nasira na siya. Ito naman yung 04. Ito, swatch kasi yun. Very careful kasi. Yeah. Carrot pinkish yung shade niya. So, yun naman yung 04. Pero marami silang shade nito eh. Ito lang yung binili ko kasi again, guys, I don't see the purpose of buying all of the shades kung hindi ko naman din magugustuhan. And also, sayang sa pera. So, etong dalawa yung binili kong shade kasi ito yung mga nagustuhan ko sa kanila. Kasi, yung ibang mga shades meron na ako sa aking collection. So, hindi ko na binili. I just bought these 2 shades, yung 03 at 04, just to add up in my collection. At saka wala pa akong mga shade na ganitong tone. So, ito yung binili ko. Again, guys, this is only 98 pesos, so very affordable. I also bought another lipstick from them. This is Shawil Makeup Mineral Lipstick, Magic Repair and Purifier Lip Color. Wow. And this is 149 lang. Ang mura ng lipstick nila. Very nice. Ang binili kong shade, again, walang color, so it's just 008. Ito yung shade niya. Actually, trinay ko to dun eh. Ang ganda-ganda nito. Ang ganda-ganda. Ito yung shade niya. Ito na sa ibabaw. Ayan. Maroonis raspberry shade halo-halo in one color. So, ayun. Again, it's 008. Then, what else? From Avon naman, I bought this All Dolled Up Simply Pretty All Dolled Up Mini Loose Powder. Ito siya. Alam niyo na ako, adik ako sa Simply Pretty na na press powder. So bumili rin ako nung loose powder niya, talaga yung nasa lalagyan. Ito naman yung una kong binili. Kasi ito naman yung sunod kong binili for compact, para pag umaalis ako, ito na lang yung dadaling ko. I will not bring the whole yung powder. Kaya ako itong binili. And also, I want to try this out for baking. I think this is only 69 pesos, guys, from Avon. Careline naman, I bought this shade. This is in color Rosy Cheek. Ito siya. Ang ganda-ganda nito. And this is what I'm currently wearing. It's very subtle. Matte yung shade nito eh. What I'm wearing right now. Very subtle lang yung shade niya. It's super cute, very simple na shade. So, yun ang trinay ko. But, it's not that pigmented, if you know what I mean. Kailangan nyo siyang i-build up just to get the color. From EV Advance, this is a blush duo. Ang binili ko ay Golden Goddess. So, it has a bronzer at saka blush na rin. Pero, this is 220 from them. Nagustuhan ko yung nito yung bronzer, hindi yung blush. Kasi, yung blush nito, medyo, may glitters or may shimmer. Pero, I haven't tried it out in my cheeks. Maybe I will try it. Pero, gusto ko yung bronzer shade nito. Ang ganda-ganda. Next one in my makeup na nabili ko is from LA Girl. This is very famous already now So, this is the LA Girl Matte Flat Finish Pigment Gloss. Ang nabili ko is in color Fleur. This is what I'm currently wearing. Ang ganda niyan, diba? Perfect everyday lipstick. Ang ganda niyan. Gandang-ganda. Gandang-ganda ako sa kanya. Just to swatch it for you guys. Ito siya. Actually, kanina ko pa ito suot kasi nag-mall kami kanina. So, hindi ko na siya inalis. Hanggang ngayon, nandito pa rin siya. So, if you want to have a review on this, I will have that if you want it. Ito yung Fleur. Ang ganda niya. I don't have any lipstick na on this shade. Kaya gustong-gusto ko siya. Ganda. So, ayan. This kinda remind me of the NYX soft lip cream. Ganun yung, nito. Yung, parang ganun yung formulation nitong product na to. So, if you want to have a review on this, comment lang kayo again. So, ayan siya. Ganda. Parang gusto ko siyang suotin everyday. Ito kanina ko matusuot Pumunta kaming MOA. Hanggang ngayon, suot ko pa rin siya. Random things naman tayo. So, pumunta na naman ako ng Watson. Pag pumunta ka, I know you guys kung kayo ay isang mall goer. Pag pumupunta kayo ng Watson, hindi nyo mapipigilan ang sarili nyo tumingin at bumili ng mga produkto galing doon. I bought a box of my Skin Made Forever Young Shark Oil from them. Tumaas na siya. This is 125 pesos na. Ngayon lang naubos yung aking unang box or unang product, unang bottle nito or unang tube nito. Ngayon lang naubos. It's been like 2.5 months bago siya naubos. So, bumili ako ng bago. And then, I also have Clean and Clear Oil Control Film na binili ko sa kanila. And then, what else? From Watson also, I have this Collagen by Watsons. Usong-uso ang collagen ngayon. Kasi, because of the Koreans. Kasi, ang gaganda ng skin nila. So, na-discover ng Filipino na basically yung mga produkto nila or yung mga kanilang regimen more on collagen. So, ngayon, naglalabas din ng Philippines ng more on collagen. So, eto yung nabinili ko sa kanila. This is Collagen by Watsons. This is a facial mask, guys. I bought this one for 65 pesos only. Oh my gosh, nakalimutan ko yung presyo nito. I think I bought this one for 169 yata. Basta yun. This one is 65 pesos from them. Random stuff na nabili ko. This is from Nature Republic. Hindi ko pa ito na-open But this is a hand lotion. Mahilig ako ngayon sa hand lotion Kasi yung hand lotion, super dami kong hand lotion. I have like 3 in my stack already. And this is the new one. This is from Nature Republic. The Apple Mango. Ang bong-bong kasi nito. Mango. Amoy mango. mostly mango yung amoy niya. But I love this. For hand cream at saka sa gabi ginagamit ko to sa hands at saka sa aking paa. Kasi pag hand cream talaga, overly moisturized yan as in, super. From Merinod brand, at ko! From Merinod brand, nakabili ako sa kanila. The first one I bought is this, what is this? This is a, slanted eyeline and eyebrow double side brush. Ito siya. Ang ganda talaga ng nilagyan nila. 64 pesos, guys. 64 pesos lang to, and then you will have an eyebrow brush and a slanted brush. Kasi napapagod na ako na dalawang individual brush yung ginagamit ko for my brows. So, bumili na lang ako ng isa. And luckily, at naghanap ako ng isa na lang. So, luckily, I bought this and very affordable lang siya. Kasi 64 pesos lang siya from Merinod. So, go ahead and check them out. The next one I bought is this double-sided blackhead remover pen. Oh my gosh, I have to cut it. Sayang naman yung lalagyan. Hindi ko muna bubuksan. Maghahanap ako ng paraan para mabuksan to na maayos. Pero, basically, it's a blackhead remover na yung pricking at saka yung pagpipress para lumabas yung blackheads. Kasi ito, ilong ko, guys. Sobrang blackhead problema ko sa blackheads sa ilong na to. Lalo na this summer. Yung problema ko sa blackheads ko, OA. So, kaya ako bumili nito. So, yun. And this is 79 pesos. 79 pesos siya. And the last thing that I bought from Merinod, hindi ko rin siya ma-open. Paano kaya buksan ko nang hindi nasisira yung lalagyan? Sayang eh. Hindi ko rin siya ma-open. Anyway, hindi ko rin siya ma-open. You have to have a gunting. Kaya lang, I don't have any gunting. But this is a silicone facial cleansing pad. If you don't know, kung hindi kayo palagi nanonood at bago kayo dito sa channel ko, alam nyo, adik na adik ako dun sa Merinod na facial brush. Kasi ginagamit ko siya kahit saan, sa mukha ko, sa kilig-kilig ko, panglinis, talagang deep cleaning yung facial brush na yun. And I saw this. I think bago to sa kanila. So this is the facial cleansing pad. I'm gonna update you guys kung nagustuhan ko to. Pero ngayon pa lang feeling ko magugustuhan ko na siya. Anything that will deep clean my face, gustong-gusto ko. So silicone siya. Based dun sa product na open kanina na na-check ko, ang lambot-lambot niya. So, I'm excited to try it out. Next one I bought is this mango bag. Ito siya. Oh, ang ganda-ganda nito. Alam nyo, naging bestseller to from Mango. Hindi ko lang alam kung anong pangalan niya, but this is a Mango Touch. A Mango Touch type. Ito siya. Ang ganda niya, no? Bibili pa ako kasi, well, ang nakita ko lang na color na available dito is black and red. But the first one I bought is yung red. Ito siya. Yan, oh. Ang dami nyo nang malalagay dito. So, bilog siya. And you can use this as a handbag. And also, you can use this as a sling bag kasi meron siyang stripes. I bought this one for 1,250 lang. And sa other, nung nag-research ako sa kanya na mapwedeng bilhan sa kanya kasi gustong-gusto ko talaga tong bag na to. I think I saw this sa Google. Tapos, hinanap ko na siya. And yung iba, 1,600, 1,800, may 2,000 pesos pa. And ito yung pinakamura. And this is original, guys, ha. Ito yung pinakamurang nakita ko. So, this is 1,250 from Happy Little Monkey. I will link yung kanyang Instagram account sa description box and go ahead and check yung mga bags niyang available. It's all original. So, yun, I will buy another one of this. Gusto ko yung black. And then, I also bought pendant sa aking Pandora. And yung una is this, ito, umbrella. Ayan. I bought this from Ate Jen. I will link her in the description box. Just ask her, PM her. I will link her Facebook account in the description box. So, go ahead and check her out. Ito yung aking unang nabili sa kanya. This is the umbrella pendant. I'm a plugophile. Ibig sabihin, I love rainy seasons. Gusto ko yung maulan, malamig. Yun. It calms me down. At saka mas nakakapag-perform ako ng maayos pag maulan. I don't know why. Kung bakit ko siya binili. Kasi I'm a plugophile. And then, the next one na binili ko sa kanya is this stopper. Basic stopper lang naman sa basic from Pandora. This one is from Pandora. Basic stopper lang naman to. And then also I bought from Pandora is this bicycle na pendant. And hindi ko na sabihin kung bakit ko siya binili, but yun. Binili ko yung bicycle. I'm not really so into biking, pero there's a reason why I bought that bicycle. So, yun lang. I just want to share my Pandora. And basically, guys, that's it for this haul video. I hope you guys enjoy it. Again, guys, kung meron kayong gustong reviewin sa mga products na minention ko kanina sa aking, kanina, just comment kayo sa comment bars and we'll absolutely gonna have that. And basically, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, please do give me a big thumbs up. And also, kung hindi pa kayo, lagi ito nga extra ko eh. And kung hindi pa kayo subscribe sa channel ko, hit the subscribe button and be part of my family. And, at huling-huli na, kung hindi pa kayo nag-follow sa aking Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, I will be linking that in the description box as well. And also Snapchat in the description box again. And yeah, that's it for this haul video. I hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. Have a great day and happy day too. Bye! Thank you, thank you!